The first day of testimony has ended in former President Trump's hush money trial, with prosecutors calling the former National Enquirer publisher and longtime Trump friend to the stand.
The case is the first ever criminal trial of a former U.S. president. Jared Hill has been following all the developments from lower Manhattan.
Former President Donald Trump left the New York courtroom Monday, branding his hush money criminal trial a case about bookkeeping.
This is what they try to take me off the trail for. That checks being paid to a lawyer.
The presumptive Republican presidential nominee faces 34 felony counts of falsifying business records. He's accused of using his former lawyer, Michael Cohen, to funnel payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels before the 2016 presidential election.
They take this payment and they call it a legal expense, and you heard it today for the first time. This is what I got indicted over.
In opening statements, prosecutors alleged the former president orchestrated a criminal scheme to corrupt the election. To bolster their argument, they called former publisher of the National Enquirer, David Pecker, to the stand. He testified about the publication's use of checkbook journalism, paying sources for stories. Pecker is expected to return to the stand on Tuesday to answer more questions about his interactions with Trump. Also on the prosecution's witness list, Cohen, Daniels, as well as former Trump aide Hope Hicks.
A lot of the case is going to be built through the use of bank records, texts, tweets, and corporate records, things that show that there was in fact this false trail. And then the witnesses will be used to establish what the former president intended by that false trail.
Defense attorneys argue Trump is innocent and that the Manhattan DA's office should never have brought the case.
He should not even be here today because he did nothing wrong. It is the epitome of a witch hunt.
The trial is expected to last several weeks. Jared Hill, CBS News, New York.
In addition to this criminal trial, there was also a hearing related to the $175 million bond Trump put up in his New York civil fraud case. The bond stops the state from potentially seizing his assets to satisfy the more than $454 million he owes after losing a court case brought by the Democratic Party.